Today I will introduce you to people that I admire. The first person is Lee Sun-shin. His job is army and he active Japanese colonial era. He is win the Japan War in the sea and he is very clever, so he used strong current of sea. His name is Battle of Myeongnyang. I admire him because he is very brave and clever, also wise. So he died in the boat, but he said don't tell my die to other people. I can same as his character and brave. Second, I introduce BTS. BTS is inform K-pop other country people, and they tell people in UN, so young people interest UN and Korea culture. And they visit Biden in USA president. Also, Biden tell BTS visit my country. They do singing and they get #1 Billboard Hot chart. And also they get many famous awards. I admire because they inform K-pop very many other country. Also they tell Korea other country people, so they know K culture and Korea. I can same day to tell Korea culture to my other country people or friends. These are my two people that I admire. I hope you enjoyed listening. Who do you admire?